Hello everyone, my name is Nur Fathani, and today we're going to explore an exciting topic. It's navigating the future of global commerce. After looking at the title, we might ask ourselves, why these three trends? As we step into 2026, the business world is not just a digital transformation, but is about intelligence, responsibility, and community. Today, I will walk you through how agentic AI, sustainability, and social commerce are not just buzzwords, but the core pillars that will define global business success in the coming year. Before we dive in, what are business trends? Basically, they're shift in technology and consumer behavior that change how businesses operate. In addition, business trend is the roadmap that tell us where the market is going. Why understanding them is important, there have 2 points. Number one is to stay competitive in a fast-changing world, and number two is to identify new opportunities and mitigate risks early. In 2026, understanding these trends isn't just helpful, but is essential to survive in a global market. So today, let's take a look at three major trends shaping our world. Let's talk about the first point. By 2026, we move beyond simple chatbots to something more advanced. According to Gartner, 40% of enterprise applications now use this autonomous system. Why it matters in 2026? Because AI doesn't just answer the questions, it executes entire business workflows autonomously and then enhance productivity by handling complex with a constant human supervision. For example, in platforms like Salesforce Agentforce, AI can manage supply chains and even negotiate with vendors on its own. So at this point, AI is no longer just a tool, it's becoming a digital workforce that drives efficiency in global business. Imagine an insurance company. When comes in, agentic AI can automatically review documents, verify data with a third-party system, calculate the claim amount, and send an approval to the customer without human intention at any step. So we're going to the next point is sustainability. In 2026, greenwashing is no longer acceptable. Consumers and regulators now expect real transparency. Why it matters in 2026, customers and regulators demand proof of environmental impact, and then circular economy models become the standard of global trade. One example is the European Union's digital product passport, where product must have a traceable identity. So if you buy a clothes, you can scan the QR code and see the real-world data, where the cotton was grown, how many liters of water is used, and how it will be recycled. So the focus has shifted from the claiming sustainability to actually proving it with the real data. For instance, brands like Patagonia use this to show customers exactly where their materials come from via a simple QR code. It is a shift from saying you are green to proving it through data and circular economy models. The third point is social commerce. Shopping today is no longer just a task, but is a part of entertainment. Why it matters in 2026? Because trust is moving from brands to individuals, and then frictionless shopping is buying products directly within social media apps in seconds. For example, platforms like YouTube Shopping have made the buying process seamless. At the same time, creators play a hook role. People trust individuals more than traditional ads. This creates what we call a trust economy when purchasing decisions are driven by connection and authenticity. For impact analysis is for businesses, agility oversight is smaller. Tech-savvy companies can now compete with giants, And data-driven culture is decisions are no longer based on gut feeling but on real-time AI analytics. And the new business models is companies must focus on being platforms rather than just sellers. And on employees, the skill shift is routine tasks are automated, so human workers must focus on creativity and strategy. And the second point is AI collaboration. The most successful employees will be those who know how to manage and prompt AI agent effectivity. And the last is remote global hybrid. Working with teams from different cultures via digital tools become the norm. The, the impact analysis on customer is hyper-personalization is like customer expect products and service tailored exactly to their unique needs. And greater power is customer have more tools so to verify if a brand is ethical and sustainable before buying. And the last is the trust economy. People only buy from a brands that align with their personal values. In my opinion, even though 2026 is dominated by technology, the human element still matters the most because in a world of automation, empathy and genuine connection are what truly make a difference. In conclusion, the business landscape of 2026 demands a strategic balance between advanced technology and human values. By integrating agentic AI to streamline operations, committing to circular economy for genuine sustainability, and leveraging social commerce to build authentic community trust. Organizations can navigate this new era successfully. Ultimately, the future belongs to those who are agile enough to adapt to these shifts with remaining purpose driven in a rapidly evolving global market. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching this presentation and see you.